There's a little magic in everything. At ŠKODA Auto, it's in our logo. But what exactly is that? Well, the story of ŠKODA cars goes back to 1895, when it all started rather small. As Lauren and Clement, working out of their garage, made bicycles. And as they picked up speed, each was adorned with the Slavia, though quickly they went from 2 wheels to 4. While L&K went on to conquer roads around the world, its tale was far from over. After a merger, L&K became ŠKODA, which brings us to this. Inspired by a Native American seal, the badge was placed on every car that rolled forth. Thus, the cars with the ŠKODA logo took off. Now there were twists and turns and overs and unders. From blue to green. From simple to sleek. ŠKODA Auto became an independent company. The arrow of precision upon the wings of progress. Wrapped in a circle, standing for the tradition set by being among the oldest car companies in the world. And while our logos, just as we, keep moving, if someone asks, "What's that badge on your car?" you can answer simply, "It's a winged arrow." ŠKODA. Simply clever.